Hello and welcome back to another feature spotlight. Today we're looking at the scheduler. The scheduler is a powerful tool that allows you to schedule predefined actions to be executed at a specific time. This can be used to automate tasks such as backups, server restarts, report scheduling, and more. The scheduling library is incredibly easy to use. Just point it to a database or a local data source and it will do the rest. To demonstrate this, we created a simple Blazor app that will allow us to create, edit, and delete scheduled tasks. As you can see, adding a scheduler only takes a couple lines of code. Here we're going to create a brand new scheduled item. We'll call it Sunday Sales Report. We're going to pick Sunday as the day, and then for the time picker, we're going to pick 2:30 p.m. Since this is a sales report, we checked off the sales item. You'll see it added a brand new report called Sunday Sales Report. The cron info tab shows exactly when this is going to run and what cron it generated for this. We can manually run this report now by clicking the run button. You can see that executed immediately, saying it's going to go ahead and email the user that we're currently logged in as, and it's going to email off the sales report. Let's go ahead and create another one called Monday, Wednesday, Friday. We'll pick Monday, Wednesday, Friday as the day, and we'll go ahead and pick 9:30 in the morning. This one is going to be the cash flow and operational efficiency reports. You can see we can look at the cron info again, showing exactly when this is going to run. And if we want to run this immediately, we can click the run button and it will run now. You can see how incredibly powerful this library is. It only takes a couple lines of code and your scheduler is up and running. The scheduler does all of the heavy lifting for you. Everything from scheduling, descheduling, rescheduling, dealing with time zones and time zone offsets, various times, multi-threading, and all of the other challenges that come along with writing any sort of scheduled tasks.